lakini mkitoka na huko nje
ukienda pale kwa Libo
muthira thika Libo kana mwite hando coke mutirie kana mwite tu atire kana akore nduriho na niwe umwetereire number 2 akinya uguo itwe wina ihenya ati ni uguthiaga Muthoni ndara gwata taicete hando kuguthukaga ungiguthukire ku mbere nda kamera cio mutumia nende moyo kwa ihinda ona andu awera aria me andawe no moy is a good teacher in the lessons, in the sessions, in the practice. No wakinyerera ni administration. Now you know how ni haraga ya deithite to na go kwana rais.
Thank you muno.
We product wa cycle. Ati thank you muno.
Thank you nego tonyitira. Katunogorere thi.
Ate Nesai
tukarekia
walolo
ololo yai
Mame momenye de lent utika kendire kamera
you know I was just put across. This is very psychological. The way you see somebody doing his work,
yes,
don't relate that with his normal life.
No.
Gutire ndagitari unukaga na sindano.
Sasa.
Na gutire muthigari unukaga kanya. Na mushinga.
Ati wewe geuka wewe.
Ati aragia mwana utoka wapi? Ulikuwa na nani? Kuna wewe kangapi? Na utoma utokitwara mushi. Ona thigari cionaga tuko huona ara magambaka guku hindi ya demonstration ya president ndere na event ya mashujaa na ke ugo ginyora waraga jeshi ugo akinya mushi dagira mutumia gwadaga sa nasa sage ndogi gogo mushi ogathi kugo ate bafu goge dole kereta dhafuni onda kanya mugago kuha magoro gaitha tokiga bogo mushi. You cannot be. Moto to sarko. Na giri ya fikiriria wadu tamaya.
Imagine ateka mama wadera mama wako.
Atari muthio kerega ndirani uguo. Kana mundu rogi witwa gitari. Mundu witwa gitari. Akinu kyo gita mucio weka mauru moru. Akonyiteta baru igo teng na ne baru. Siriye we gita. Akonyitete baru ya igoro akagaba ndu. Yale mwe toro na ena thayo hirukite igwe mundu gwa njoe ne ndahitirie niki arorire gitorire. You cannot do that. Professions must be left where the offices are. You go home as husband like a wife. Like a husband and like a wife. As a husband as a wife.
Atiga gita burudani.
Tiga maundu magina ku.
Ona ndo theki bataki nduka na bia.
No. That's good.
That is enough injection.
You see, yes. Na goiria cia gogonari. So many people don't think I can be happy.
Ate ukire gukumwathani arogoshwa. Rasanta bobo.
He nyamu nyonaga thenema imwe. He ga thenema fane muno nyendete getako 1000 ways to die.
Oh yeah.
Nonaga. Ate jira ngiri imwe cia gukua. No ngirorera ni ukumaka. People are killed by very small things. Ginya toothpick kijona andu makiria. Igatheca theinie mumero-ini ugakua. So 1000 ways to die harimwe ugetua what you are not. No ngega go separate we na wira.
Right.
Ona ko turia kurino. Na guoda ihu. Wakinya muci.
Yes.
Kireba kiu na guo itikufana na garo. Wathi bedroom na muthuri guoya ni icurio ni cia dini. Icio ni cia dini.
Ya jeni ni araigua.
Icio ti cia bedroom. Na nikiro na jokete na shati haha some spiritual fanatics nimekujulia ya Archbishop na bring
onyitetie kira bakinya na mbere
ate bring tena uko na mundu akiandika ucio ni Archbishop na bring
how
ni mundu wina uiru na mutheni hakiri
tondo we mundu
number 2 andu tacio ngwiraga atiriri nimekumakawana kacuma takaka kana midra taicio na tunye mutu na tuongingo tondo we kwao ona giciko gutiari so ona cuma mundu ini acira agakorwo na urudo ini gikiu. So there are people who are want to criticize and to hate everything. But I want to repeat again. I don't know the kama professional. Jagitari, arimu, ahujia, amemerekia. Have your life.
Oh yes.
Not what people see and want. Be yourself.
No matige hau.
Yes. Nina nyona nginya tumia gwito kanitha ni Debora. Ngamona hindi ya mathiguko-ini nyona ngimembo batha. Mena swimming costumes. Mena tutaiti. Makomete akiyumithia handu marone nyaroma. Kimenya ni Debora. Na mauka kanitha ngamenya ni mundu Debora ndironete. Iroi.
Anikete roi.
Arenda gwane gwo kanitha. Kari bosho.
Do the right thing at the right time, at the right place.
Yes, that's the place. Riu ndirathire hindi mwana kahiga kwa ndikanyitite guko turathia supate kana ndakugurira nyina gift ya Valentine. Mundu omwe tu uguo tondu I thank people. Na ndirakorire ringi gikuyu gitu mani kinyendete. Nie gikuyu gitu ngai amuteithie na murathi. Gikuyu ni kinyendete. If you go out there, gikuyu ananipenda.
Na ni watu wazuri.
Can imagine kinya day jamu ni mona tu ndege choni mwa higura Archbishop. Higura Zebu. Ucio ni bishop witu. You kinya matatu.
Na nikio tagetikira kinyararo.
Ndigitikira.
No nginya karuta mugambo.
No nginya.
Yes.
Leo can imagine mutumia arajuri atiriri. Guy, bishop witu toni ore mwana munini. Drama kai. Tondu ndiranyitire haha mwana munini ri. Araiganania na title yakwa, no theru wakwa na mwana onekaga atia. Mwana onekaga atia. Ani njite ndo psychologist ni ngwitithania. Bishop witu mwana munini, kana uri mwana munini. Ndiranyitania andora aigirira kanitha hau acokona
akira Archbishop
acoka igirira cieko iria ciekagwo
na muthigi na cieko
na cieko ciekagwo mwana agi ararora aranyitithanirwo na hatirokanwo ndagirwo ko itare na mwana munini kana mokaga mari agima ama bishop makagoithio japa kana gikabu-ini kia sadaka kwacha na ngima hau Riu na seneta thaisha gituka pregnant no tutigire kanitha tondu giko kiu gikorwo gi giakwa mwikwirwo na mbemwe ni thikabu munene akenda seneta mwire rugame maundu mau gitutigire andu angita ati mundu moragio no andu Jeremani tu no Jeremani mugiaga kokiesa So these people when we teach and talk about love, na twali horo wa love including human sexuality, horo wa go conceive, horo wa having the menstruations and all the relationships, attachment and requirement, people will think that's what we do. Mutumia twekaga show na radio igi ndarutire wira miaka 10 na kidomo 17
Wajuguna. She's a very good girl,
a very good woman. So we walked together with her na ndamanyira mutimuri tumunini wari hakana kamwe. Now tugika show dito muno to ne ngai ne ndeithite kumenya maundu ma families and I was doing much about preparations ciege ndo mahikania how sex becomes an issue or nikiget hene tari brewbad ya mogate. So I was teaching people how to understand ohoro wa gutira kuria na kuria kindu kiega. So we didn't want to bring sex as an issue. It should be used. Brewbad rugira ika
by the way
brewbad rugira kira kanua
right.
When you come to the sex and whatever, era hakokeini sex yo. If it is not prostitution or cash cow or whatever is a job, marriage in her sex should be based there. And then people are beginning to destroy it and akiugo kiu. So when we talked with Wanjiko, to horiro thimo gonya ntu ya thimo. Thank God you don't lift. You don't lift those hands. Don't lift them. You kwa thimo gito ku lift. Don't lift.
Dimweno
niko lift ndoka lift wajikoya oguo ri toliro inyuiri tolieri gai sikuri cero mirima na tuyonia na nitwathikagire ni andu ingi muno inyuiri ona nyimbo icio mwikiraga kivindi-ini giki nitui mwikiraga niguo muhota kwamba gwika atia muhoragia mwamba mwike Garajiko ina ino gemura dokire tutie. Bajiko kine na guoko. Hey. Ayo na marakara we. Mutumia ho. Mnewe ne momoranga. Jonathan dikora kana gemura tutige. Agithika ageja ko kwenda gucokeria mundu ucio akiuria. Kai heiri mo ina irwo thimu. ngimwira tokekira roboroge tobe tumerie gidi mimi nilikuwa naumwa na mumeo ndaigwete ciugo ciothe irigitana ndito cia ugikuyu ciakuruma mundu ucio ndaharirie ciugo ndito tonda mutete ndogo thogithi nguru kanjo ndamute nginya kanjo
ikombe
ngaragacuku cioro cia thukuru nduka cia gatanga na thutha can you imagine
no mutiare na video tano
tutiari riu
ndakera rwimbo mombe mwigagure
tobe twirane Ngai torigo ni tugucoka mwathani ni matwira uguo openly iraine ngira wajuku kumuthenyo tugithi kwa mucoba kwemura nduka tureke hindingi turethi mucia live wacha iwe kwa messages ona thaici tuikarite haha hari kindu ngiona kiandikwo hau ire gwithe ndukaga Zebu kore kwa muiritu waku wakiri
na tuguthi kwa tumira
vai wa Zebu ano ucio
no tuthi kahawa west
beauty college negetha mukire heruto ingi ni ukuona ni uri hurwo kabisha hau na kiro mauma shuri tumona manyitanete liftini kogo reure
atakoro pataditika beba munyitanete
ini
batane wakero
ona tikioda maka mwade
Yes.
ona message ndari kiro tikiodira maka ave corona women ni tukune gociti na tukema he boundaries na demarcations na corona mu thabo agathe bari ai no hoteli cokaga tiri now
gai wa batu
gonna ukira do you can just mark your boundaries your joy and are mari magamugunda inokawa igaichembe thi thiu ikare na thayo iroru hare mena cio ni gwatura miti
oima
watigana na tupaso na miti na gona tindo na ifoi
na bore kuwa bore
ona mafundini rira ndakaga ri I used to kama thijira mburi kana ringi ona kumera go home and go happy no ringi ugakorwo na ringi ngithi kuriha miti kuria turoya ngona fundi uria munene hari araringira kidaki na kidaki giake ndi ngimuria tondu ni hindi arenda kwiruta thimiti acoke ainuke ni egukora mutumia na ciana that's another project then he comes to the job if this should be a discussion anywhere where people should be told ndagitari wainuka mucii tigana ndagitari na kou
ando ni maratanate maragutiri kuruma andu acio na ni tene marameta ati nduka cia kandara na thutha
ni nduka cia kandara na no nduka na thutha we nginya cia gikuni na kiruri na thutha na kuthutha na thutha wa
na maihe
na maihe na guku kungi ugitagwo ng'ombe nguo no igua riu if people cannot separate profession ichuke muci ni uko mishandle your wife ni uko mishandle your husband even a relationship can go down todo muthoni urakidate wakiri moto ganenda guko approach na mawatho nginya gukua you know you are tuning a lady but roka professionally tegorega muthoni according to chapter 3 and the penal code in the criminal laws ni kurio urorio wendo ni kuhikana urahikio na constitution na regiwe mubunge ugekoragwo tukorete muthuri waku Mr Speaker you see it's a problem kwaga ku separate issues Nigga we hote to live as somebody. I love the way I get some women who are hard like you. The hard women, those who open the doors, even they are locked. Mahigora kamera agona makahigora. No mudushu wa mukora na mwana wake. Kana muthuri kana relationship yake. She's a very humble woman. Hea do dadhi rege kora boy yege hiki ti mutumia oge. Na mutumia shituwa muitali mutumia moru muno. Na murito muno. The way she handles issues. Ne handraka business change to mona mare na marori. Can you imagine ile mwini dadhi rege mukora ginyana ane wararuta mwana daipa we mwene ngionana one oka ikira nyamwina apron ya kuruga ona no rato safu na rato aliria kai ni kuria bishop nywa acronym juice ukuda maebe gimaka gariwo na igayuraria karu we ndore makuya hende we munyiti mwakire na hinde we shaine morure kuri mecirege maguka gwaku me ukora we mutava kana gemagashire me ukora githeka they don't know or some they don't understand that you are able
to separate. You must.
Then we come to a day when you have a bad day. The bad day ndogikora we mweka nayo you handle as the pain are. There is a sad day then ugihuriro thimo nawe haha show ini wero Bishop JJ ni ahuruka.
God forbid.
You cannot continue the show.
No.
Yeah. But it will be a bad thing to hear. Neguo. Ogigwate murata close kana colleagues ni agwa na ngari. Ona ndoi kana nakuite kana eho. Your days already distorted.
Yes.
Dori rauma bere. But people who some want you to be the way they want you.
No.
Yeah.
It's impossible.
Yeah. Ate he ona mothe ndatheka. We don't love every minute. We are not mad.
No.
The drugs to kumagira. We have bad days.
Yes.
Ona riguke thitaru ne goikara kanitha gite-ini kiu kia muthikabu. Ndorete ngona andu maramaka na nginya makaje kuge Bishop Dal today niki
hayuko sawa.
Ni kama hayuko sawa. Ne tame magnet. Aguthima kama uko sawa. Tugikinya kanitha-ini gukingira uguo ukokora message taraingirite ira ya bengi na riandikitwo ni auction na ni hindi waingira ukarigwo guthoma eno kana kwiharira kuhunjia nikio nita ndakwari na Sunday morning I cannot pick a call at all.
Ona ni ndi ndakwari na mundu itingirite Kameme
yukorwara reke turiki uguo na ndi ndaga ngeithi it's my rule ona itakinyete kigongona-ini tiri mundu tukihibaniria na ndietaga hapana tone joy your anointing can be distorted ni andu acio megukuhutia mbere na nikio ona gona tungatiri ithui ngai abathĩtie level nene not everybody can serve you acha ni akoya aria magiro gukata at level to no uthokerie undu rauma naguo and mundu othe kuga Bishop Madala niguo rikia githomo wega dauma dal auma Labor Ward arikia wera ni aheo mwana now you can celebrate if anybody want to marry you na niwe ndira riu if anybody want to marry you must be prepared of all these changes kwedo kuinuka wi muguruku na maundu mau werwo ni sudi kana kagombe
ta kagombe ni turtwarithia muno hwai
utindika okron maundu maria werwo ukuinuka wi down we haha mutafarira-ini ino we muteti you talk about of Kikuyu Nation, Mount Kenya, all that. Na regional terms iria cikuo no ukorore no define imwe kana igiri
muno imwe ni andu akwa ndiraigwa makienda na ndamenda ngaigwa kuri andu matarakena.
Yes, you already divided.
I'm divided.
Now mundu arenda behave atia like now if today when I said that my time is gone na negwenda kuhuruka itari kanitha-ini hundreds and thousands of people were crying. People wept. And I was looking at church, I saw people crying, ladies, men crying that Bishop JJ ameacha kazi, ameenda. And I looked at it because to me it was gone. I had cried before like 3-4 days. And you understand I was down. Na nidaki nyinado I have to leave this thing. I have to go. And I want to have some few days or few years with my family. Can you imagine Bishop the newly ordained, the immediately ordained, undu wake wa mbere ya muthigi na katiba ya bururi ya kanitha, a very fancy thing ya gwita kiama kia mamurani, and they declared me Archbishop. I had to take time. I had to go for 3 weeks, and I expected people to start talking, but people were just telling me, not yet, not yet. Be an elder, be an elder in the church, be anything. You see, kuri andu marafeel na kuri andu angi mekuga atiriri no ga kindu kia ni arite oyo atigirwo nginya kirumire nyina ithe nyina ndana nina mwaka mundu atathirite nderu mi ani ndirugwe ne mukuru ani nugu ngai ucio ni athira angi makenja kinya ku dig properties cito ucio riri aga kiriu amumaga icokia ona ndari thina munene kuhika akora hikete ahikete mutumia we hau mwene ngari cia toppers driving college iyo na Nairobi guothe na Nyahururu na Nakuru ati ni mutumia mutongu muno uhikete ucio ndari thina kuigwa mutumia ucio andu matari na any truth egi horo tocio and all things are done but I always learn kuhota ku separate what I'm doing and what I am and what I'm feeling. I always tell you here, athaki maugaga muthenya uria atari mwega kana athaka uru ni omeraga media. I was not in my good form. Ona we no utire wira uyu uthikiririe wira sweet master ni nyuhura na iko na Tracy nie I am not in good form. Tondu wangikorwo hingo ciothe we ngoro yaku hie kana wina burnout, you don't need to come to job. I don't need to go to church. Tonginyo now if you know you are having burnout, you are fatigued, you need a break, but people will always drive you na speed yao na maoni mao. Don't feel bad ukigathi thibitari ukore ndagitari ukwenda kadariku no korwo ni murwaru no korwo ethi no korwo ni mahitanitira muka no korwo ni murume ni muriu no korwo ni muhure ni mwari no korwo ni murume ni nyina no korwo ni mukirire ni munene ako. You see, just don't put people to classes that you want them to be. Let people be okay with the time they are going through. Omudo okore sawa na ihinda riria ri tukikaraga haha ri atumia ni andu magenagia to some extent tondu bagi ni ciao ri ona iria ci haha cia atumia ere meguku ri kwina bia kwina gatishu
kwina lip gloss
kwina lips
kwina gacicio
na no muko hicho cia lips tondu guku ndoka ni nyingiraga kiria ndacera ni nyingiraga haria gents with makeups dineka makeups na dinathi salon weekend ino so riu no muko jethera dio cia gwithondeka kada wakinya now if initially hena kaindo kangi gatangi gwetwo muno gikaro-ini giki me alira twina haya gatingi gwetwo gikaro-ini giki ni undu ningi gathemba maundu mangi no nginya tukimweheragia chief master tondu gacoke tuthondekere ucai ona kaindo kau ni katumia akoragwo oini ndi mutumia ri ni ndi mwiri witagwa mutumia na eji akwa ni rajita mutumia tikugo married twali horo female na kiugo kiu gitagwo mundu muka gikoini ni go sound a bit bad
no ni mundu muka
no ruge ko tukita mundu tukigweta mundu muka no nginya kuringana ni kimukuga nigetha atumia matikone manyararwo na ragwichira huthirwo ya bit vulgar now kana mukawe tumia mamenya dates cia meka ya ore hana ri ni makuaga ona korwo ni ageni yake tone majia guka meka ya kinya moka mweri 28 ungi moka ga ithano nyuna tha ithano itariho kario bagi ni tondu ageni aria ni magurukaga no meke demonstration na madharie githurai giothe otuko gikioski ciothe
yes
runo okoro uma handu imutheru no guthiete te mugaikie rwimbo ati uguo ati ni guikia aya ageni ino demonstration yajia mwiki irarikirika est ibanda ciothe cithi riu na mutumia ndaika muno kono kuinaga akauma tari na gathimu agathi ladies akarugamia migomo yo na tia gasi iria akuaga akahorera do you want warikia guka uke ukorera muma nake je guguthomera riu na uma kioro ni mundu mwinake ona ni njiragwo there are people who want us to be what they want despite respecting the changes in our bodies they don't value they don't value nenganagira ngai tondu ni mwamagegania tondu mekira ndungatete ri na mwako ni ngenete tondu by the way kumanda da character Archbishop jikite igogona rimwe ria Brandon nyumba ya Brandon
which was very good on Monday well done.
Imagine I didn't know the Bishop wajirire ni nguthiire angijira newe ni atuma kuwi na igogona ringi na ngigikararia ni munene witu riu ni ajira thie kindu kiria kiandituheire muno ndateithirwo ni minister cia itwa ma reverends mangi maitu magiukite kanitha kundwara kana imagine gwikira nguo ndadiaririkanaga dirikana kuyajagia na Bishop na kaigwe hau daga kinyinga te wira wa jokirie now godago kuhuthirira ukuonia atiriri things go changing and people must understand what are you going through what are you supposed to wear what you are supposed to put it down and also you be given a space and a space called the time mahinda maya maku mari kari taru tugaga tumia hinde me undu-ini ucio ri
mine mareke mudi kioru muno
mena progesterone mena estrogen thini wa mwiri wa mutumia hindi o menyita hormone imwe niyo yewira estrogen niyo thundo ni ikuma guku tondu thundo ri imanaga na hinda riu ria mutumia tondu ni he itumbiri kuaga na ria kua ri itumbiri ngikona hau gia makorogoca
na giko
na gikorogoca ri nicio cietagwo corpus koguo guku kwauma thundo cio ni corpus iria ciumanire na estrogen hormone acoke mugikie ngiri thundo ithire agira atuke mudo progesterone now when we understand these things ndugaga umuthe mundu cinire akorogwe na ngoma umuthe madam hana ririo kage na ngoma atubagiro kumenya icio ni premenstruation syndromes itagana na mundu though I think I didn't know that we will talk about that. It just happened to come
it's from a good one
from the text I received hormones ni ile hire na riu ngai andeithirie uguo tondu I don't know how we had to come this with me here topic
which is okay.
I remember nearly as I just speak what is true before todo maheni no maige goko thi.
Yes.
And I don't want anybody muthenyo ria gakoma mugathomero eulogy ya maheni mothe makwa maheni nikenda kuredikenda kiruta kiu todo yo gakororo guku gakororo kuo ndia ndukino gukorwo ndagithia miaka ngi 40 ri ingikorwo ngithiwe gakorwo na 70.
Amen.
Gomo no gakorwo na 70. Ni wathiana na bukebin korora nyumba ciaku na migunda ya ngano no anyita. Now I don't want lies that are being spoken about anybody then why you roje hakuna kitu kama hiyo ni uongo. The truth is I have done this and this and this ni hutetie ngoro cia andu aingi ni micimi ingi njokaniriirie ni ahunjia ingi nyamurite ni andu ingi hete authority power and to do todo ramonyitira moitereria mutungatiri maguta ma muhe license ginya cia kuhikithania ina mwaruta gwa sheria atuika na registered kunia ni mundu register uhikire no amuhe wewe bishop power to do and to lead all that pertains to that ordination no akire nyitithanetie. I would love this to be spoken but because it cannot be spoken kafani gwire mayakwa thaisi ndaigatirwo kanitha ria mbere ni
Bandarona.
Very attentive. Very attentive.
Very attentive. Yes. Mutoria maiki yake amini headphone yake. Headphone itheri.
Ndeona tia.
No arero ni Tracy ni murata. You know ndaigatiro kanitha ria mbere ni undu wa mahia matariho. I never sinned.
Yes.
And if I did, onaru no ngwire, onigira ndekire atia, ni ndikindu ngihitha. Ate urando matindaga ate agagukwirwo ngani ukwanikwo. To me that is nothing.
Wendirwo atia?
Miaka yakwa riu thaici no ngwire thiri icio.
Tatwire sweetie.
Baigatwo ka sweetie ri.
Enyewe ni Sifuna.
Ngome mimi ni Sifuna.
Ani Sifuna.
Ni ndio mulikata nyinyi Sifuna nyinyi Gitahi. Now gatiro no do amehia natural.
Yes.
Kana giko natural. When my age started becoming a man. Na nedagia na mwiri mugima wa murume
ithori icoka kururuma
na no to gucoka ona reke umuthi guhe horo cio hendo gituko kana na ndagitari negwada ginya airetu aya including my learned colleague here
Kamso
the learned IT girl anyite when this body starts commanding you control you na nikifa ugeterera ndari mwana ndakagata mwana ndeciragia ta mwana no ndagimara I started handling issues cia ndagima issue number 1 ira mundu aroga nayo turo-ini uyu ni kwamba gutika guthuguma oriri mautimehia mangoma tikirumi tikwanyu mwarumeto ticogu wathugumaga
tikorwara
ati tukitie gukanyiru mwathuguma tewe mugoi angoi ni mathuguma oriri ethaga airimu icio tugana kuligitia tukorwara ni kaundu rafatara muciari agutware practically nginya gukwariria na mwana ura waremwo ni gutiga gwika oguo ri ungiremwo ni go control thoge yake mathugumo nigetha mathugumo maya magena time ri ni afundithagio kunyitirira undu ucio and we have those sessions when I used to do the family sessions at my office ndakuri ndaikara Abbey Hotel muno ndena farm yakwa and I had like 3 counselors we had a big farm and I taught women kuthomithia mwana overcome guthuguma oriri parents who did fail kana maremirwo ni gwika oguo nigetha ma understand ni time ya mwana iratuma korwo githuguma kana ni akeria age akorwo atige I could not gutigari eguthi stand 1 na 2 na 3 wa githuguma ga thukuru iteine ginya form 1 that can be addressed even medically you can see a doctor either gynecologist or general practitioner or a urologist they can take you through even the counseling there will come in if the door opens now ni ndagikora wanaini uria wakwanje kugimara twituhiri ni mwanjiriria gwathwo miri-ini yanyu ni maundu mangi
ni mwiri
ni ugukora kuma hormone ya ndumeri itego testosterone ri kuma thaa 9 cia utuku nginya goka gukeithia thaa 3 mundu ni utari murwaru na ethe wa gicunguruma kia miaka 40.34 ni akoraga fendera iguru thaa 9 uigwa gore mwe wewe toro ukigwa thigari chakabia kuguru kuguru bora federo kwa Amkeni ndugu zetu. Tufanye sote bidii. Othe. Ndugu zetu. Wameinuka ndugu zetu.
Kijana jigana.
Na hema kauga heri hakiwe ngao. Na murinzi. Nginya thaa 3. Akorwo ni ukirire thinacara horo wathira. Akorwo ri otoro kwendete kuhuruka nginya 3:00. Maundu mo korwo mutire mwero haha ni cancerous. I think you need
to kurengithia keki.
Ndo kurengithia keki tiga kumeha metage magogona-ini mau. They should respect education. Kiasi tu. Sio hata kama ndirima. Professor Catherine Gesho ena hado ndo magithoma hanini. Ona miaka 3.
Ndirani ni. Turachoka emendera.